Naviance is a website for college and career readiness and preparedness that we use here at the high school. A lot of our students will use this all grade levels during I Succeed for different surveys, different tasks, different things that are requested of them during I Succeed activities. And teachers, you also have access to use this to help students navigate these things. So we wanted to make sure that you knew how to get in and use this platform the way that it might be needed. So you'll first go to the website. You're going to sign in with a Naviance ID. Those of you who are new to the building should have gotten the prompting email to get you access. Thank you to Mrs. Pfister, who's letting me borrow her login so that you can see as the teacher side what it will look like. Once you get logged in, okay. There we go. Once you get logged in, you see that you don't have a whole lot showing here on the screen, but you may have some teacher recommendation requests. So for starters, teachers who are aware of students in their junior year, the students might request that teacher to send a letter of recommendation for a college application. Those will show up here. But minimally, this is where you will go to help students navigate getting logged in, possibly. There's a couple ways you can do that. If you know of a student that needs information about their account or isn't sure what their username is or can't get logged in after following the prompts and needs you to help them reset a password, you can do that here by clicking in the search for student bar and typing in a name. The students who have names that match will show up. Choose the student. If you scroll down, you will see the Naviance student section here. So Elizabeth Petrie, for example, her username shows and her password is set. It shows the last time that she logged in. If that student is just not having success, the best thing you can do is to click the auto reset password. It will send the student an email where they'll follow the prompt to reset that password. You can also direct students to do that on their own, but again, if it's easier for you, you can log in this way. If you click on at the top again on hover over students and you click student roster, this will show every student that we have loaded in Naviance. So perhaps a student has asked you to reset a password and you're not sure why they're not showing up. You can double check. So over here you can toggle between grade levels. You can search the alphabetical listing. But if you know who it is you're looking for, you can just click this box, search the student's name, and then scroll down to where it gives you the option to auto reset the student's password.